Hey there, this is Julian, and today we want to talk about how to use Revolut Abroad. So first of all, you can use your card wherever Visa and MasterCard is accepted. So this is in over 150 countries, and there you can just go to, for example, your hotel and book it, or you can pay on the subway, you can buy groceries, or you can pay in a restaurant or a local supermarket with your Revolut card. And depending on your plan, you have different terms and conditions here. So for example, a standard customer can exchange up to £1,000 per month without fees on weekdays. But if you exchange currencies on the weekends, a 1% fee may apply. So just be aware of it. And down here, you can see the different options you can do. So you have two options in order to avoid this. So within your Revolut account, you can open up a currency account in 35 different currencies. For example, you're traveling next month to Australia, then you open up a currency account in Australian dollar, and then you wait for a good exchange rate. And with a currency converter inside the app, you can swap, for example, your Great British Pound to Australian dollar when you feel the time is right. So you can do this before you're traveling. So you can exchange, for example, 1,000 British Pound, and then you go over to Australia, and then you can just spend this in Australian dollar, and you have your exchange rate from the time you exchanged the currency. Or the other option is you just don't care about it and you just go to Australia and you spend your money on the go, and then Revolut will take care of the exchange. So whenever you pay for something in Australian dollar, they will just do the exchange from British pounds to Australian dollar for you. And maybe you are on the weekends and then you don't have the best rates because you pay 1% extra for the weekend fee. So just to be aware of it, as I would do it, I would always open up a currency account to the country I'm traveling in. Then I will check the currencies beforehand, exchange as much money as I might need in the country, and then I can just spend the money on my holiday. And yeah, just to be aware, there's a fair usage limit by plan. The standard plan has £1,000. If you go over this threshold, you pay 1% extra fee. And next, the Plus plan has £3,000. And if you go over this limit, you have 0.5% fee extra per month. And if you are on the Premium, Metal or Ultra plan, you don't have any exchange limits there. So just to be aware of it, depending on your plan, you have your limits. And this could also be a trick if you know, for example, 4 months in advance that you're going to Australia and you need like £3,000, then you can, of course, start exchanging money inside the app. So you put money aside in Australian pounds. And when the time comes, you're going to Australia, you might already have exchanged £3,000 inside the Revolut app, and then you avoid this 1% extra fee here. Yeah, just go through this. Of course, it can change from time to time. So every information here I share in the video are without any guarantees because I'm not from Revolut. And next, just to make you aware of it, when you withdraw money from an ATM machine, there's also a withdrawal limit. For example, on the standard plan, you can get £200 or max 5 withdrawals. And on the Plus plan, also £200, £400 on the Premium plan, and 800 on the Metal plan, and 2,000 on the Ultra plan. And anytime you exceed this limit, they will charge you 2% extra fee on the cash withdrawal and a minimum of £1. So yeah, just go through this. But the good news is that you can pay in over 150 countries, so you can use it, and you can log in your exchange rate ahead of time. So if you exchange money before you're traveling, you know exactly how much you exchanged. And when you start using the money on your vacation, for example, then you already know that you locked in a good exchange rate beforehand, so you don't have to worry about like bigger surprises after that. So yeah, I will link you this down in the video description. Make sure you go over this and read through the terms and conditions. I hope this helped you. If you like to start using Revolut now, you will also find the link to it down below in the video description. And I see you in the next video. Bye.